So last day today, so we thought we'd just give you a quick look around the room that we've been in for the last 10 days. Great room, bathroom on the right immediately as you come in. Nice big double shower there, plenty of room. That sort of blocked off window bit goes up and down depending on whether you want the light shining in at night or not. Moves through there. Double sinks, which is all good. Plenty of power points around to charge your toothbrushes and razors and stuff, so that's good. And coming through in here, you have a wardrobe. Give you plenty of hangers. There's a safe in there as well, which is all good. Spare pillows up there. So moving through the rest of the room. Down here, you've got your mini fridge. What we have found with the fridge is that the restocking of it is a bit haphazard, shall we say. So you kind of need to stay on top of that if you need it topped up regularly. Coffee machine, kettle, tea, coffee. The obligatory spirits, which isn't really our bag, so we haven't really touched those. Plenty of glasses, flutes, etc. So that's all good. Nice mirror, hello. TV, absolutely fantastic, the TV. We've had ESPN Sport on here, family movies, all sorts of into sport shows, some English football as well. So if you're a football fan, that's all good. So there's an ironing board, which we've used, hence why it's up in the corner. Then next to the bed, you've got your phone and your storage. Loads of lighting in this room as well, so you can have them set to whatever you want with regards to brightness. So little bedside lights, etc. Another one there. Bed is one of the most comfortable beds I've ever slept in a hotel. Really, really comfortable, absolutely wonderful. And then storage area over here for all your cases and stuff while you're here. In this cupboard, quite interestingly, I thought this was to do with the Wi-Fi. It's not. It basically sprays smell into the room in the evenings, and it just, oh, it's lovely. Come back in at night and just got this lovely smell drifting around the room. Absolutely wonderful, that is. Good, great touch, great touch. So moving out, you've got your balcony, so patio doors. Right, on the balcony you have your double tub, which we used a couple of times. Great fun that is. If you're a bit shy, there's curtains you can put across there. We've sat out here a number of mornings, 3 or 4 times eating breakfast from room service. We've had no issues with room service. Room service has always been with us within half an hour at the time we asked for it. You've got ceiling fan out there as well as fully air conditioned room. We've also got a ceiling fan up there to move the cool air around the room. All in all, have to say the room has been absolutely fantastic. We've really thought it was a great room. Housekeeping has been great. The lady who's looked after us while we've been here, she's been great, lovely lady. And the cleanliness and the standard of cleaning, and you know, there's even a nightly turn down service. So it really is great. Beautiful place. We've had a fantastic holiday here. I'm looking forward to heading to Jamaica now. That's December next year, on the south coast.